Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a referral job for the IT professionals. The location is Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. The experience need is 2+ years. The second technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Functional Consultant. The location need is the experience need is 6 to 14 years. The contact number and the email IDs will be given in the video description. The fourth technology is DevOps Engineer. The location is Bangalore, Hyderabad. Experience is 6+ years. The education required is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA. The contact number and the email ID will be given in the video description. And the next technology is .NET Full Stack Developer. The location is Bangalore or Pune. The experience need is 3 to 5 years. The salary rate is 12 lakh per annum. Education required is degree in computer science. The last technology is scale up in hiring. The contact number and the experience there is 1 to 3 years. The contact numbers will be given in the video description. So from there, please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.